Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be unboxing my Topbox. So I did get 2 boxes, so they did have kind of like the gift subscription that you could do, so I bought it for myself. And my plan was to kind of like cancel my other one and then just kind of like have this one because it's a little bit cheaper to do kind of like a year subscription. But kind of seeing the difference in my products, I don't know quite yet if that would be my plan. So in my first box, and this is my gift box, I did get some kind of like repeats of products that I've gotten before. So from Glow for a Cause, their lip chap. So I'm not a big lip chap person, so that's definitely going kind of in my giveaways. From Medusa, you have their Mystical Eye Dust. So I just feel like I might not open this because I don't know. Like, it's a really like one of those pretty blue colors with the gold overlay. I just haven't really done much makeup looks with it, so I don't want to open it because I'm undetermined if I'm gonna keep it. So I'm trying not to be wasteful is part of my New Year's resolution. From Clarin, I do have their water lip stain. So I really do like their oil-based one. So kind of going in, you want to be careful that you really kind of wipe it off and that you evenly coat. So I have to say, I don't really like this product. I find it kind of hard to use, and it just kind of looks like it's on my teeth. And I just feel like it seems more like I don't know how to eat versus like a lip product. Like, it really just gets into the cracks where they're like it has like the white freezy kind of taste to it. So like that I really like. It feels nice, but the actual performance of it isn't great. Like, there wasn't even anything there. And then it stains. So if you mess up, you are a little bit of SOL. So those were my 4 items in that box. My normal subscription was way better. So I got like a full-size Kate Somerville exfoliator, so 60 milliliters. Like, what? That's awesome. From Mark Anthony, their hydrating coconut oil and shea butter. So this is a nice hair kind of care product, so I love hair care. From Philosophy, their purity cleanser, and I really do like this cleanser. It's a nice kind of gentle cleanser while still kind of getting everything up. And then I did get, oh, I thought it was a lip product from Lasardi Cosmetics. I think this is a highlighter. So it's a liquid illuminator. So you get 3.1 grams. I'm not like a big liquid highlighter fan. just because I feel I don't know how to properly use it. But it's not bad. Like a pretty color. So like kind of looking at the difference in the boxes, like what? To get that for like 17 bucks basically, like is, I feel like, oh my god, like how does that work? So I don't know if it's just like yeah, I don't know, like I guess maybe this is kind of like their full-size product. I think I forgot to talk about this one in my other box is Dirty Little Secrets bronzer, where I feel like I've gotten this before, but like that color seems a little dark. Kind of just going in. Oh, oh, oh man. I'm not that color. It's a little too dark for me. No. And that's going in with like the world's lightest touch, because I was like, I think it's too dark. So I feel like until like my gift box kind of gets better, I'm gonna keep my other one, because maybe just they realize, like, being a long-term customer, that like they're kind of giving better things. I don't know. It could be like, yeah, I don't know. I just think like there's a big difference in those boxes, I feel. But I'm also okay to get 2 boxes. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day. Bye.